Just when I was getting bored with Neph, he obliges us all with this masterpiece.
Another bit of science here. Scientists capture antimatter atoms, and they've been.
They, Neph? Whatever happened to we? Oh yeah, you probably can't twist what they are saying to fit your just so story. Oh, and by the way, it is antimatter, not antimatter. We don't call these millipedes, do we?
Looking for antimatter, dark matter. They claim that it's the cause of the universe. It's causing the galaxies to stay together because the outside of them is spinning 10 times too fast and they can't find a reason for it. So they claim there's all this dark matter out there doing it, right? Yeah, but you have to read things and pay attention to what you're reading to get the real truth of things.
That's right, Neph. You have to read the article to know that it's all about antimatter and not dark matter.
Let me show you what's wrong with this idea. First off, let's examine something. Scientists capture antimatter atoms, which they've been trying to do for a long time now with labs all around the world. Look at all this multi-millions of dollars worth of equipment. They say they captured antimatter. Look, scientists have captured antimatter atoms for the first time. Right, they say they captured it. Now let's read down here and find out the truth. Did they capture antimatter? Let's see what they did. Let's see here. The researchers created 38 antihydrogen atoms. Created. And what did they get? 38 antihydrogen atoms. They created them.
Yes, Neph, they created and then captured. Is this the best you can do, is to combat science with a play on words?
Just 38 atoms. Okay? If antimatter were so prevalent in our universe, if it were holding galaxies together like atheist ignoramuses, these evolutionist, uniformitarianist goons claim, is the reason.
Oh dear, spot the real goon, folks. Neph doesn't know the difference between antimatter and dark matter. The clue is in the words, Neph. I know, it is confusing that both phrases contain the word matter, but those words that precede the noun matter are called adjectives. Looks like you need to learn English as well as science. Let's bring this down to your level and make it easy for you. This is a shower horse. This is a clothes horse. Do you get that? No? Well, if I remind you that Antichrist and Jesus Christ are not the same, will you get it then? And what the hell does cosmology have to do with biological evolution? You'll never learn.
Reason to cause the Big Bang and what holds galaxies together. If there was that much antimatter in this universe that it was holding galaxies together with some invisible halo like they claim exists.
There you have said it again. It wasn't a slip of the tongue after all. You really are an idiot. It is dark matter that holds the galaxies together. But all this raises a big problem for the God myth, and I really want you to consider this, Nephy Poos. Dark matter represents that which exerts a gravitational force of roughly 3 times of that of observable matter. Listen, Neph, nobody's seen a quark or electron, but do you think they exist? Anyhow, it seems you attribute the force exerted by dark matter as proof of God. So this geezer, in whose image we are made, is mysteriously whizzing around the billions of galaxies purely because it was too unorganized, a bone idle, to make enough observable matter. What sort of God would make things so complicated? So basically we have 1/4 natural gravity and 3/4 magic. Do you honestly believe such crap?
Holding galaxies together now. Can you imagine how much there would be? And they can't find a bit of it. So what do? They create some, and then say they captured it. Look, they created 38 measly atoms of it. They created.
Yes, Neph, they created not dark matter. Exactly what you non-scientists demand of real scientists, because you are always demanding that we create life from non-life in the lab. Total inconsistency as per usual. Anyhow, that's enough of Neph. He just goes on to repeat himself. Those damn baked beans. Should you want to watch the whole thing, then csbair has done a mirror, link below. I refer to this mirror because surely Neph will have to take down the original once somebody points out his massive gaff. By the way, talking of Auntie, below is a link to a great music video that sums up Neph to a T by AuntieDiluvian. That'll be AuntieDiluvian, Neph, not AntiDiluvian. What a complete and utter turnip. And please learn to read.